Have you been through a breakup? Or maybe you are going through a breakup right now. There is a transition happening from a very loving relationship, a relationship for which you banked upon it for every single thing. You used to share every single thing with each other. And today, suddenly you have become strangers. You are not sharing anything with each other. You don't even want to see each other's face, or might be you are willing to see each other's face, but something is stopping you. The relationship has just become complicated, and you're going through this feeling that there is a void in your heart which cannot be filled by anybody else, because you feel that that person was your world, and now in entire world you are not going to find that kind of person ever in your life. I actually understand how you feel, because we have handled so many clients who come to us and they say that this is the worst feeling ever they have ever experienced in their life. So this is what happens when you are in breakup. You actually start doubting yourself. You doubt your own capabilities. You doubt your own looks. You doubt your own dressing sense. You doubt whether the way you speak is not good or is it good. You start questioning your existence altogether when you go through breakup, and then you feel, why did that person leave me? So when such things goes on, sometimes for some people they come out of it within a month or two. Some people come out of it in a year, but for some people they do not come out at all. I have got people coming to me after a decade saying that they still love the person with whom they had broken up. So you can understand, this is such a huge grief they have been carrying with them. It is as good as, losing some person, losing someone's life, and losing that person to death, and losing the person to break up. It is the same kind of grievance that people go through when they lose people in their life. And it is very important at this moment it becomes that you get a proper closure when it comes to breakup. When there is no closure, the pain continues for longer. And the closure doesn't mean that you have to go and talk to the person and ask, why did you leave me? That is not the closure. The closure actually means from within, our within, we get the answers why this relationship did not continue. That is the real definition of closure. See, empty, hurt, loneliness, anger is just the tip of the emotional iceberg that a person experiences in breakup. It leaves in it a broken individual with bruised self-image. A heartbreak is not only a loss of partner, but an imagined future altogether. Certainly a part of ourselves as well. We used to love ourselves when we were with that person. We were a different personality altogether. Maybe we were the most confident, or we felt most beautiful around that person, or we felt that my humor was much better with that person. So when you used to love the kind of person you were when you were with that person with whom you have had breakup now. So certainly a part of yours is also gone with that person. The person has gone, the imagined future has gone, and the certainty, or your own personality, one of the part of your personality has gone along with that person. So it hurts immensely. I do understand. So moving on is very tough in these cases. One can experience a whole range of difficult feelings, complicated thoughts, obsessive behavior patterns, denial, which can affect one's productivity at home, quality of relationships with friends and family, and squander one's self-esteem and self-image. Instant and quick fixes may help to distract ourselves for a short period of time or numb the pain for a while, but it does not resolve the pain. The emptiness remains and the hurt also remains. The experience remains as it is. So how breakup therapy helps now here? See, expressing the pain itself is a half battle won. Many people do not express the pain they are going through in a manner that it should be expressed, so that it gets released from your bodily system. And that is the reason the pain continues in your nerve system also. So find stability in emotional chaos. Find that stability. Find that one person who will give you stability in so much of emotional chaos that is going on in you. And that person is definitely a therapist or counselor, because they actually know how to handle it. There is a grief behind the loss, and the grief needs to be handled in a very strategic manner, because when we lose somebody to death, somewhere down the line the acceptance come that we have to carry on without them. Yes, the pain remains, yet the grieving at certain point reduces. When it is in terms of breakup, it requires a strategic approach to grieve for the loss, and then seeking the answers to questions. There are so many why going on in the mind when a person goes through breakup. Why it happened? Why did she like somebody else? Why did he go for another girl? Why it happened? I gave all my time. Where did I go wrong? What went wrong exactly? Why we started fighting? Why there are so many whys, and all these questions needs to be answered somehow or the other, and therapist facilitates you in finding the answers to all the possible questions you might be having in your brain at this moment, and then therapists help you to gain closure. This is the biggest profit, or you can say the biggest outcome that you can get from a therapy. So, my dear friends, if you're going through breakup, there is no necessity at all to sulk in darkness all alone and go through the pain all alone. This pain is unbearable. This pain is what makes you feel that I should go and suicide now. Some people actually feel that there is no point in living in this world and I better go and give up my life. So, if you're going through such kind of thoughts, which are self sabotaging thoughts, self destructive thoughts, where many people are banking on your life. You are the world for your parents. You might be the world for your friends also. So where so many people are involved, don't even think of all these thoughts. And if you are thinking of these thoughts, along with it, add one more thought, that I can go to a counselor and therapist and I can overcome all these issues. All it requires is I need to be willing. If you say these things, say, you will find yourself seeking the right guidance in your life. Finally, in life, if we want something, we have to wish for it. We do not get anything without wishing for it. So if you're going to wish for the right guidance in your life, you are going to get it. We at Parivartan Transforming Lives help people to get over the breakup within few sessions itself, using therapy, using counseling also. We help them get over the breakup, as well as therapies help in speeding up the process and help you set the goals for the future. There are so many celebrities who have gone through breakups, but you see, their career never got hampered. Why was that the case? Because they went to the therapists, counselors, they came out from the trauma of breakup, and they did their goal setting and they achieved their careeristic goals. That's how important it is to get over the trauma that has been hit you because of this breakup. I am Vidya Ragotra, mother of two little girls, wife to an army officer, a software engineer turned NLP master practitioner, counselor, therapist, and a life coach, turned entrepreneur, founder of Parivartan Transforming Lives, now working as a chief relationship coach, helping individuals to be a certified counselors and mindset coach. Also, I help people in transitioning their journey from guilt, hurt, sadness, anger to love, peace, joy, and fulfillment. If you are one of those who is looking forward to have the fulfillment in their life, the joy in their life, you want some freedom, you want independence, even if you are looking for financial independence, we at Parivartan Transforming Lives, we facilitate you to achieve entire 360-degree benefits that you can get from your entire life. So do approach us. There are various links pasted below in the description. You can follow us on Instagram. We are there on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can book a Calendly call also with us, a free 15-minute discovery call where we discuss how our counseling program can help you overcome all the challenges that you're going through in your life. And at the same time, you can have your own income running by sitting at home and doing online counseling. If you are some person who is very compassionate at heart, have empathy for people, and your emotional quotient is high, you are sensitive, you can feel for others, then please go ahead and enroll for this course, because this course can actually help us spread in India mental health awareness and help heal the world out there. Our India today requires warriors who are going to help people in sticking together and create happy families, happy homes, happy office spaces, and at the same time, a very mentally balanced, mature, wisdomistic people. We need this peace on earth, and we can be one of the pioneers for that. Looking forward to meet you on one-on-one call. All the best. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like watching my videos, then subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with as many people as you can. Who knows, you might be contributing to somebody's mental health. You might be saving somebody's life. We have no idea how we contribute to the world indirectly. So do your bit and contribute to the world. Thank you very much.